In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Power BI KPI dashboard. We'll take a comprehensive look at constructing a KPI dashboard from scratch using Power BI. Whether you're well versed with data visualization or just starting, this walkthrough will offer clear guidance and tips to help you build a functional and visually appealing KPI dashboard. First, we'll need to open Power BI. If you don't already have Power BI installed, simply visit Power BI's official website and download the latest version that suits your operating system. Once installed, open the application and you'll be greeted with the Power BI interface. Here, you'll find various options on the left-hand side panel, like reports, data, and more, which will be our primary tools in this creation process. Next, we need to import your data, which is critical as it forms the foundation of our dashboard. Click on the Home tab located at the top. You'll notice a Get Data button. Click on that and you'll see multiple data source options like Excel, SQL Server, and text CSV. Select the format your dataset is in, and if necessary, browse to find your data file. Once selected, click on Load to import your data into Power BI. You will see your dataset appear in the Fields pane on the right side. Now we jump into the visualization process. On the right, where it says Visualization pane, you will find a variety of chart options for displaying your data. To start building our KPI dashboard, we will click on the KPI chart, represented by a small square with a percentage symbol inside. This chart is specifically designed to track your key performance indicators effectively. Once selected, you will see it added to the central work area. Once you've selected the KPI visualization, it's time to configure it. Start by dragging the relevant data fields into the fields area of the visualization. Choose a measure, like sales or revenue, and other fields that define your targets and status. If your dataset includes time-based data, it's often beneficial to drag a date field into the trend axis to visualize changes over time. Remember, KPIs are crucial for understanding the performance and progress towards your objectives, so it's worthwhile spending some time ensuring you're visualizing the right data that aligns with your goals. Finally, customize your dashboard to enhance its appearance and functionality. Use the Format pane to adjust colors, font sizes, and layout to ensure clarity and focus on what's essential. Pay attention to setting appropriate targets and customizing the trend axes, which can significantly influence how your data stories are interpreted. Congratulations! You've built a basic Power BI KPI dashboard. Feel free to add more visuals, adjust layouts, and style your dashboard according to your preferences and the needs of your team or project. And make sure to save your project frequently, and once you're satisfied, consider sharing the dashboard with colleagues and stakeholders to leverage data-driven decision-making across your organization. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video helps you kickstart your journey in data visualization with Power BI.